Guys, I hope you can see me. I'm Keri, creator of KeriKit. Beautiful, beautiful kit bags that will help keep you effortlessly organised when you need it most, whether you're being a mum, heading to work, enjoying some precious me time, or anything in between. So today I'm really excited to talk to you about the Lennox. The reason I love the Lennox is it looks like a normal handbag. Inside it's so functional, so perfect at keeping you organised, and it's available in all these beautiful colours and leathers now. I'm going to take you through each one very quickly. Some of them we already have in the collection, some of them are new, and just show you the different ways that you can wear the Lennox so that you kind of get a real feel for the versatility, for how much it packs. And then I've also packed one up for baby and one up for business, just so you can see different ways that you can pack the bag, and that might give you some packing tips as well along the way. So I'm going to put these down and then we'll just go through each one by one, okay? Oh. There's so many. Right, first of all, I say basic black, but it's beautiful basic black. It's in this gorgeous pebble. This is it with the normal strap, and this is just showing how cute it looks if you wanted to add the Stevie strap in black, and this is with the Midi. The bag itself is got 2 pockets on the outside, at the front, which are great for your phone, accessories, bits like that. One on the back, which is a great place for a phone or medication. 2 insulated bottles on the outside, which I'm going to show you around in a second, and inside pockets aplenty to keep you organised. And that's really the purpose of my brand. It is to keep you feeling effortlessly organised and stylish throughout your busy day. And they're perfect bags for everyone. Some people say, are you a changing bag brand? What are you for? Are you for business? Are you for this? We are for all women. We are for all women, including mothers, especially for mothers, because a lot of the time they have to, well, they're mothers forever. Once they've had a baby, you're never not a mother. And you need a bag that can go through motherhood with you. Not just that first bit where they're in nappies, but all the way through. When you're dropping them off at school, you might still need the odd thing. The odd wipe might be necessary. So these bags are brilliant. They will take you from baby to boardroom in a flash, and everybody will just think that's a beautiful bag that you have. Nobody will ever say, is this a changing bag? Because guess what? We're not a changing bag brand, guys. No, we are a kit bag brand. So this is the Oxblood. Very quickly, just going to show you. It looks absolutely beautiful with the berry strap, okay? The next one I'm going to show you very briefly is the Croc. This just gives you an idea of the options that are available. This has the light gold hardware. There's a natural sheen, as you can see that, so it makes the bag a little smarter. The leather is really soft and supple, but it's not the same as the pebble. It doesn't slouch as much. It will after time, as with all leathers, they will soften, but this one holds its structure a little bit more. So I feel like this is really nice as a work bag. It's just that little bit smarter. And then we move on to the new guys. Oh, we have the tan. I'll just show you the tan very quickly. This is just a different way that you can carry the bag. So this is as a backpack. So you can just very simply, with the backpack straps that come with the bag, adjust it to the length that you like, and then if you're a bit tired or you just want to take the weight off for 5 minutes, you've got the option to just turn it into a backpack and suddenly your hands free. The backpack straps come with the bags, as do the zip shoulder straps, okay? So let's dive in first of all and have a really good look around this brand new Lennox. So this is the Lennox in the black anaconda embossed. It's a naked leather. Due to the fact that it has been embossed, that they use heat to emboss it, it gives the leather a slight sort of surface finish. So it's still a naked leather, but it just looks beautiful. It's so stunning. I've loved this leather all my life. Probably one of my favourite leathers. Until I developed the Texas tan, this probably was my favourite leather of all time. So it's got the gunmetal hardware. This is the full size. This is the strap I was saying that comes with it. Now, around the outside of the bag, I've got my water bottle on one side, and as we live in England, I have got my always going to be needed umbrella on the other side. Now, as I said, this one's been packed up for baby. There are so many ways you can accessorise this bag. It will come with your backpack strap, like I mentioned to you, and it comes with a multi-use zip top bag. These are really handy. You can put waterproof, they're waterproof, so you can put dirty items in there, and you don't have to worry if anything gets dirty in your bag. You're fine. You just put them in there, come back, wash the items, wash the bag, and then you're good to go, and your bag will not get stained. Inside the bag is waterproofed as well, so if you do have any accidents, then you don't need to worry. Now, I've packed this up, guys. It is not even full, but I have packed it with pretty much everything you could need for every eventuality. So hopefully in here you can see what we've got. So let's take it through step by step. Right, at the back here we have got 3 sets of nappies, newborn nappies, but you could fit any size nappy in there. We've got wipes on the other side, and we've got a set of muslins. I've got a pen, and this is a security pocket. Now, I don't really use my security pocket, if I'm really honest, but it is a great place to put feminine hygiene, any medication, things that you want to keep away from children. And I tend to keep things like that in there that I need in an emergency, but not that I'm going to need to grab every single day. Tend to use the outside pockets for that a little bit more. I've got the Midi packing pouch, the Sullivan packing pouch. These come in a lovely set of 3. This is the Midi that I've got today. That's just got all my essentials, lip seal, hand cream, hand sanitizer, spare masks, etc. And then in the bigger, we've got the padded changing mat. Just to show you, this is how much room the padded changing mat takes up. You can very easily create a lot more room by just going with the non-padded. It's exactly the same size, it just doesn't have the padding on there, and you can slip that in anywhere. So that's just to show you the differences in the size. You've got 2 bottles, hopefully you can see those on either side in the insulated bottle holders, and you've got your large zip top. Now in here I've just got a spare dummy, some spare clothes, bits like that in case there's any emergencies while I'm out and about. As the children get older and they don't have accidents, I converted that into a snack bag, and if I'm using it for work, it's great for putting all your leads, bits of tech and everything like that inside. So in here I've got a iPad. It's the first edition. It's very old, it's broken, and it just shows you the sign sort of scale. So if you've got kids that are a bit older, you might be getting to the digital nanny stage, it's great to know that you can fit one of those in there. Now you can also put that in the little laptop sleeve at the back here. When I've got this bag in work mode in a minute, I'll show you how that works. But what's great is there's 2 studs that I've put in here, press studs. So when you're not using the bag as a work bag, you can create 2 extra pockets on either side by keeping it closed. And in here, I've just got one of our KeriKit notebooks, and I've also got a teether. And then there's a little, I don't know if you can see it, right at the bottom here, there is an extra little pocket, and that is just a perfect place to put AirPods, earbuds, or a spare dummy, and it stays on its own little place. Another place you can put this if you want for easy access is on here, or your keys. Honestly, the options are endless, guys. That's the beauty of this bag. The options are literally endless. At the front, I tend to put my phone, my lip gloss on either side here. You've got really nice butter soft zips that you can grab with one hand, and you've got the option to close it because it is a zip top as well. To change it into a backpack is very easy. There's little D-rings underneath here. You just pull them out, thread it through as I just showed you with the tan, and then it converts into a backpack. Righty, let's crack on and show you the final one in the collection, which is the Lennox in Python. Again, we're calling it printed because we had a few issues last season with words mink, crocodile and oxblood getting stuck in customs in America. So this is printed, and the anaconda is embossed because python and anaconda could have caused a bit of an issue. So diving into this bag, we're going to go straight in because you've already been explained, the outside's been explained to you. Now, a lot of people have always asked me if A4 files can fit inside my bag. So I popped one in here just to show you the answer is yes. So if you're using this for work, in here we've got the A4 lever arch file. You could put a wider one in if you needed to, but that just shows you for size. I've got my Vicky notebook, journal cover, and then I have just got a bottle of water. I mean, you can use this if you want to, or equally you can just keep your water bottle on the outside like I did last time. It's just really so I can show you the versatility. And then I've just got some lotions and potions there, so if I'm going from day to night, I'm good to go. Now, I could very easily have popped that in there as well. And I have the smaller one of those I tend to use for my makeup. So you can see, hopefully, as I spin this around, that there is a laptop in there. So this is a iPad, not an iPad, a MacBook Air. So you can get an idea of scale. You can fit bigger laptops in. People have asked if you can fit 14 inch, 16 inches. There's plenty of room, as you can see, to fit a bigger laptop in. And you have got the main compartment. That's if you're using the actual integrated padded laptop sleeve. which you don't need to use. If you want to, you can use the main part of the bag. And you've also got the option of having it upright. It might mean that you can't close it, but if you had to take a bigger laptop, then this bag could accommodate it. That's pretty much everything, I think, with the Lennox. Not sure if there's any other bits I need to cover off. If you've got any questions, oh yeah, this is the Gretchen strap. So this just shows you the same bag. So you've got the zip top option, so you can very simply zip yourself up, and you're good to go. So that's the length of the strap with the Gretchen. And that's just the little Lennox charm that we've got, which is really cute. Put your AirPods in there if you want easy access. Put your keys in here for a car if you've got the cars that don't need to be used. You know, you've just got the fob. You just need to get close. I keep mine in here now all the time, and I just don't even need to get them out of my bag. The only other things to mention would be the lovely Warrior. So you can get that to attach to the bag. These have got mixed hardware on both of them. So on the Midi Lennox, where we have light gold hardware, you can mix and match your Warrior. You don't need to buy two. One will suffice, whether you're going with gunmetal or whether you're going with silver, and that just sits really nicely. Perhaps better if I put it on the front there, in the front of the bag. So guys, hopefully that's answered any questions you may have. It's taken you around the Lennox, how versatile it is, how useful it is as well. You've seen all the colours, but I'm always here to help. We have the Kit Girl group over on Facebook where you can ask any questions, and every week I'll just do live videos, answer any questions that you may have on there. Equally, you can pop it in the comments below and I will do my best to come back to you straight away. I'm Keri, founder of KeriKit. Thank you very much for watching.